a lot due to a lot of complications. But I am back with the Accord. I want to show you guys this. I really want to show you guys this. I got the exhaust tip. This is a blast pipe. Yeah, it cost me $80 for this exhaust tip, but overall, the car went back to its stock muffler due to the exhaust law in California. And I'm gonna have to take off the rear lip because since this car was involved in a hit and run, I'm gonna have to fix this and replace the bumper. You guys can see all the damages right here. It's so freaking bad, and my freaking trunk got pushed in right there. I'm just so triggered. You know, I'm gonna take my time on the rear bumper. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. But my main focus right now are on these wheels. I'm trying to repaint these into white because I did one last night and it turned out pretty good. And this is how it looks before, like that. It looks. I just love white in general. I haven't put on the studs back because I really want this whole entire paint to dry before I could put it back in general. So that's what I'm going to be going for, and the tires should be mounted as soon as possible. I'm getting the tires. It's 215 550 R17s, so it's OEM spec-ish. It should sit flush with the wheel or the lip in general. So let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, I need to redo the interior. I need to fix this. So you can see some portions of it broke, and I sanded it down. Now I'm gonna be repainting this all black. This is what I'm gonna be using. I decided to purchase one of these. I know you guys are gonna be like, dude, you're using spray paint. Like, dude, like honestly, dude, it's just doesn't really matter. Like, I don't really care. I mean, I'm trying to help. I'm trying to teach myself how to like paint. You know, practice makes perfect. So I started off with just a spray can. Now I'm just evolving to, you know, more techniques, and then probably up to powder coating. So I'm slowly teaching myself. You guys don't have to like be like, dude, you're so cheap and everything. I'm just like, dude, I'm just trying to teach myself how to work.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Oh, this was just hard work right now, and I was able to get all 4 wheels done. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, I inhaled a lot of paint, and my lungs hurt. I'm not gonna. It hurts a lot right now, but the finish on this is actually pretty good. I'm proud of how it turned out. As you guys can see, I'm not trying to touch it. Like, I learned the lesson the hard way. I'm not really trying to touch it. I'm just gonna let it sit. I don't know for how long. For probably another hour. And I hate how this stem is like this. I didn't have any choice, so I just, I was like, fuck it, And the studs aren't on because you know the paint is drying. But if you guys want to see how the paint looks with the stud, this is how it looks. As those 3 wheels were drying, I was putting the studs back on, and one of them is loose. Which one is it? Which one is loose? I think it was this one. Yeah, this one's really loose because the bolt is stripped basically, and I'll find a way to fix this. But this is how it looks with just the studs and the color. Like, it's completely dry because I did this one yesterday, and I just love it. I love it so much. So I'm just trying to get these center caps as well, and I'm really debating if I should put the XSR's sticker on there. I mean, hopefully it will stick, but no, it falls off, it falls off. Like, I could give a damn. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Regardless of the center console, I don't like anyone could do the center console, but when it comes to this is pretty much the difficult part. I don't really care about the outside because you know the tire goes onto here and no one's gonna see the inside, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I don't know if this inspired you guys to do something to your wheels, such as changing colors or purchasing new wheels. I hope this helped out, and make sure to follow my Instagram down below. I do a daily update on my, I don't want to say daily, but I do keep an update on my Accord. If you guys wanted to follow me on there to see what I'm doing with my Accord, just follow me. I'm cool. You can DM me if you need any help. I'm like pretty chill. I might lag on your guys' texts, but you know, that's who I am. You know. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.